Welcome back to another video. Rell, aka Rell, and I'm here with the 2025 and also 2024, the third and fourth generation Bentley GT. In this video, you're going to get a comparison of the two because I've seen a lot of comments from the last video about the 2025, so what you guys liked and what you guys didn't like. Which one is going to be the best for you? By the end of this video, you definitely will know, so stick around and stay tuned. I'm also giving one lucky viewer a chance to win a free prize. Listen up, coming soon in this video for the details. And once you hear the details, you're gonna comment below. You have a chance to win a free cash prize. All right, we're starting off with the 2025 Bentley GT, and I got the spec sheet right in front of me. This is the speed. Okay, so we're looking at MSRP of $383,330. I'll show the spec sheet here. They got a lot of things that's going on inside this car. Come on with me, let me show you. Starting off with the wheels, we got the 22-inch wheels, black painted. Now again, this is the first edition. Each time they roll out a new Bentley, the first year of the new generation models is always the first edition. They also come with the panoramic glass roof. That's a new addition for the Bentleys. If you remember the first and second generation, they didn't have the panoramic roof. That's something that started, I believe, in 22 or 23, if I'm not mistaken. They are starting to come with the panoramic roofs. Only panoramic, not a sunroof. If you want the top to go back, you gotta go with the convertible. Obviously heated and cooled seats all through it. You got the massage seats inside the vehicle as well. Come on, we're gonna come around to the back. Now, the biggest difference on these two vehicles is the lights. Now, I've seen the comments on the last one talking about the lights, especially the front ones, that you guys didn't like them as much as the old ones. I like them both, but this video to help you decide on which one is going to be the best for you. All right, and I'm going to step inside this vehicle. Yep, feels amazing. And this has an E range right now of 5 miles. Now it does have regenerative braking. So as you drive the car and you brake, it's actually gonna charge up itself. The charge is not a super long range, but you get about 40 to 45 miles with the E range. And it sounds and drives incredible. I actually got to take one out once they first released it.
And the vehicle's on.
Vehicle is on, nice and quiet. It's hybrid now, right?
Yeah. So with the hybrid transmission here, the gas and electric are working together to give you that performance. So it's more of a performance hybrid.
Okay.
When you start the vehicle, it's always going to start in B mode here, and then you're able just to switch to sport.
B mode is the custom. B mode is like quiet or
EV mode.
EV mode.
Yeah.
Oh,
so when you're in B.
So what was B mode before? Before the hybrid technology.
Custom.
Okay, B mode was custom. Got it.
Yeah.
Body or like?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Technology, I tell you.
I know, right?
And I just was aware of that. All the additions are speed, so it's not a difference between, you know, first generation or you know, a non-speed. The 2025s are all speeds, So you get one of these babies, or you're gonna fly fast. You're gonna fly fast for sure. So obviously you heard about this is a hybrid system. So you got gas on one side and electric on the other side. And also as far as the horsepower, you're looking at 771 horsepower. That is crazy for a Bentley. 771, wow. Top speed is 208 miles per hour. All right, I'm gonna take this and take you guys inside. Take a look. And this does flip up when you turn it on. And this flips up, right?
Yes, sir.
Love it.
So
Love
you
it.
got that, and then you can hit the screen button and it'll flip again.
All right, so that's going to be it for the 2025. Let's step inside the third generation model and see what they have to offer so that you can get that comparison between the two. All right, so again, the biggest difference on the 2024s and 2025s is the headlights. Let's check out the front and rear headlights of the 2024s. Here we go. Beautiful crystals inside. Now with the 2025s, this was the first time that they went with a single headlight, not the dual headlights. Ever since they brought out the Bentley GTs, it always was dual headlights. So let me know what you guys think about the headlights. Is it a yay or nay for you? Again, the comparison, you're seeing it right here in this video to help you decide which is going to be the best for you. Here we are, here's the rear. All right, y'all. Let me know what you're taking, Are you taking the third generation or are you taking the fourth generation, the brand new one? Tough choice, tough choice. Tough choice. If you had 300 to 400K to spend, what would you do? Would you go 2025 or would you go the previous generation? And this one is the convertible. Let's take a look inside. Love it. All right, so right beside me is the 2024 Continental GT Speed. Now this one goes for an MSRP of $394,315. So this one is priced a little bit more. The spec sheet is a little longer on this one, and I'll flash an idea of what you guys can see as far as the spec, but I love the red on this one. The red is nice. And this one is a W12. Now in the 2025s, no W12s, at least as of now. But if you go to the third generation, you will be able to get that W12 12-cylinder engine. So come on, let's go inside and check it out. Now, as we enter the inside, and as you guys can see, I'm dressed in black and red, so they rolled this one out just for me. Man, this thing is beautiful in the inside. Now I'll show you guys a quick POV of it. Pretty nice, right? Now, again, W12, so that means no hybrid. You don't get any hybrid with the W12. Only the V8. But this is a speed. Does come with the roof. I like the option that you can have the roof now in the GTs. A lot of people are commenting about no roof. Some of them you can get a roof. Now, the roof does not open. You have to get a convertible in order for it to open. But looking up, out of there and out of the sky is definitely a nice touch. Both still have the name systems. Again, as you can see, everything is pretty much similar except the way it's spec'd, which is different. Leather and suede or Alcantara. And look how beautiful the diamond stitching is. So far, which one are you guys taking? Which one are you guys taking? Now, I said you guys are going to have a chance to win a free cash prize. And I'm going to select one of the winners right now to win a free cash prize. I want you to comment below. What are your goals that you're trying to knock out for 2025? Just leave me a comment below your goals, what you're trying to knock out for 2025. And also make sure you're subscribed, and I'm going to pick a lucky winner to win a free cash prize. Let's get back into this video. Yep. black and red. All through here, you got a nice little cubby holder if you want to put your phone or, you know, another small device. Now the seats are tiny in the back, but you know, a small child could fit back there. I don't believe a human being can actually fit back there unless you're like under 5 feet. I tried it, and unless the seat is sit all the way up, you're not going to be able to fit back there. Electric seats so that you can move it forward. And maybe I was tripping, but I used to believe that when you start the car and just press the button that it would go forward by itself. I got to confirm if that's actually true or not. I'm not 100% sure. See how small the seats are? Here, go ahead, get inside. Let me see if you can get inside the seat. Oh, okay, so when it leans back, it goes back. So I don't know about forward. Let's see forward. Will it go? Yeah, it does go forward. I know I wasn't tripping. Let's see. And it'll probably stop at her knees or legs. Does it have the sensor in there to stop? No sensor. She have to push it forward just a bit. But she's under 5 feet. Like I said, in order to sit back here, you got to be under 5 feet. All right, so I'm going to climb back here just to check out a few of the things. Okay, you got the cigarette lighters in here. That's cool that they got these in the back seat as well. Obviously, the 4-door flying spurs are all equipped with all the amenities in the back seats, but they still have a few things back here. That's to roll the little window up out here in the back. Got a little small window on the side. All right. Yes, I'm gonna try to attempt to sit in the back seat. See if it's gonna smash me. Yeah, it's up on my knees, and then it moves forward just a bit. It moves forward just a bit. Maybe it's some sensors in here because it moved forward just enough for me to get back here and it not hit my knees. So I think that's awesome. Little small coat hooks in the back seat. I'll show you guys those. Yep, speakers all throughout this vehicle. And that name system, that thing sounds so good. I got a chance to check it out and take out all of the 24's lineup, which is pretty dope. If you want to check out those videos, I'll put the link in the description below. Let me try to climb up out of here. Climbing out, y'all. Whoa. All right, climbed on out. Wasn't too bad. Outside in the wild, we got the convertible Bentley GT 2025 right next to a Ferrari. Nice. Now this is a 458, but these things still look sweet. Just like the Lamborghini Huracans that started in 2015. These are nice. Check this out. Let's take a little closer step inside. First edition, again, all of them are speeds, just like that. All of them are speeds. Yeah, this boy's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now at this dealership, you get a little bit of everything. Yes, mainly Aston Martins and Bentleys, but they have a little bit of everything. They got Porsches, they got BMWs, got a little bit of everything here. Look at this 911. GT63, got the Benzes here. Like I said, the Porsches. Maybe it's because I'm wearing red, but I'm liking these reds, man. I'm liking these reds. I wasn't even a huge red fan on vehicles. This is the Mullen right here. Just seen the badge. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. They also got some Range Rovers here as well. Range Rovers, Land Rovers, a little bit of everything here. This is the X5M. That's the first time he's seeing one of these up close in person. Yeah, and I won't be surprised if they take custom orders as well. That guy with the Aventador just pulled off. Hey, that thing sounds so good backfiring. Yeah, they got the BMW line out here, heavy. Heavy. Dang, I love the color on this one. Love the color on this. Take a closer look at the metallics. Can you see it? Can you see the metallics? Pretty nice. All right, here we go. An older Bentayga. Tell about the rear lights. And the headlights. What y'all think about the older Bentaygas compared to the new ones? Side by side comparison right here. Is this a drop top Bentley Azure? Jay-Z? Nah. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. Yep. It's definitely a Bentley Azure 2001. The Jay-Z Bentley Azure. This is black one. Oh look, here's another Porsche. Got tons of Porsches out here. Check out the color on this one. Pretty sure y'all seen it before on one of my last videos, but let's get a good shot of it again. It got that pretty all white interior. Yeah, this thing is so elegant. Of course, with the TVs in the back seat. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Hopefully in this video, you got to see the comparison from the 3rd generation and the 4th generation Bentley GT. Now, which is going to be the best for you? That's going to be up to your own preference. I'd like to thank Mehdi and the guys and girls here at Bentley, Washington, D.C. If you're looking to get your next Bentley, link is going to be in the description below to Bentley, Washington, D.C. And this is Car Show Rell signing out. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as I always say, stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.